How to reset a WordPress admin account. If you have ever lost or forgotten your password to access the WordPress dashboard, it can be very frustrating. WordPress provides quite a few options to reset or change your WordPress password. I will show you a way to reset the password using the email in a custom way. So first of all, open your browser and enter into your WordPress administration panel. Write your domain /wp line admin. Click on the Lost Your Password link. You will be redirected to a form where you can enter your username or email. Write it and click Reset Password. A link to reset the password has been sent to your email. Check that link. Let's open a new tab and open the Gmail site. You see here I just got an email for the reset of the password. Click on that email and click the link to reset it. You will be redirected to a form where you will need to reset the password. But what if this does not work? How can you get into your administration panel on WordPress? We are going to use in the next part of the video a file that I shared on the description. Before we proceed with the video, please download the file. We will need to upload this file on our site, and we are going to create a temporary administrator user that we are going to use to reset the other admin password. So let's open this file. I have here downloaded the file. Let me open the file to show you the content. The code is simple. It simply adds a user called dexhowto with this password dex909 ! So download the file from the description. You will need to upload this file to your site. Let's upload this by using the file manager from cPanel. Open a new tab on the browser. Write the domain name and put / and the text cPanel. Now write your username and password and click Login. Click on File Manager. Click on the folder public_HTML or go to the path where you have your WordPress. You should see a folder with these files on it. Click on the Upload button. Click on Select File. Go to the file you downloaded, insert user.php and select it. Click Open. The file should be uploaded very fast. We can close the Upload tab. You can refresh the page to see if the file has been uploaded. Here is the new file. Open a new tab on the browser and write your domain name /insert user.php and access it. If you added the correct file on the path, you would see this message. Now let's change the address of the address bar to domain name /wp line admin. Write the username dexhowto and the password dex909 ! And click Login. If you do not remember the exact username and password, check the file you downloaded. You are in the administration panel. Here, go with the mouse over User and click All Users. You see here two users. One is the user we added to the system a few moments ago and my old username. Go with the mouse over the old user and click Edit. On this page you will find the button called Set New Password. Click it. Set up a new password that you will remember. Then click Update User. Now we have one more step. Go with the mouse on the top right and click Logout. Log in with the old username and the new password we set up. Now go again with the cursor on User and click All Users. Go with the mouse over the user we generated, DexHowTo, and click Delete. Select one of these options and click Confirm Delete. We have reset the admin user password for our WordPress site. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.